So welcome to Zona Rio here in Tijuana, and this is probably the safest place to be if you want to go here in Tijuana. And right over here to the right, we're going to go check out this place called Plaza Rio, which is a huge shopping complex. You see the statue up there at this big roundabout. A lot of traffic. But I wanted to come down here and see what it's like, so we'll wander around in that Plaza Rio a little bit, and then maybe check out a few other places around here. I'm just giving you an idea. That's across the street, and it's it's a pretty big place, so obviously I'm not going to cover everything on foot, but you see how well the streets are here. And I'm going to make my way inside. See how this is set up. You got a Sears store right here. I'm gonna go in here. Obviously it's a very big place. I don't plan on seeing everything, but just kind of a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go inside right here. Not sure how this shopping area is laid out, but we'll just kind of walk around randomly and see what it's like. Definitely see some more high-end stores around here. All right, this must be like at least the inside. Oh, it's actually laid out here. Yep, big time. You can see. It's nice to come here though. Just kind of walk around a little bit. I'm not too much into the shopping malls, but a lot of people like to see it, so I just kind of explore it. Again, IMAX over there. So you can see why Zona Rio is the upscale, safest place here in Tijuana, just by coming through here. After being in several areas of town, you can see there's a night and day difference. Walk around this little park area. They probably have just about everything you need in this place. A lot of folks probably on the US side come in here. I just love this Tijuana sign. All right, they got a supplement shop there. We'll go around this way. Here's a layout of it right here. Actually, I'm heading down this way. That's how they have this. Nice little stroll through the plaza. relaxing, very clean. But I don't want to spend all my exploring here. I'll try to get outside of it. Actually do a 360 right here before I take off. A hypermarket over there, Thrifty ice cream, everything. Okay, gonna take some of the outside areas and explore around outside this plaza. See all the parking. I mean, it is very well set up here. Pretty impressed with it. I just crossed this major roadway across from Plaza Rio. See that really neat looking monument on the roundabout, and this is the Central Cultural Center, which I don't plan on going into. I know there's a lot to it, but I just want to get the outside and continue on. It's kind of a little map right here. That must be not sure, maybe that's in the inside here. I have to admit though, this is pretty amazing. So right behind the dome. That's interesting. This has got to be at least, if I go here, a full day. But not today. But I do like to visit places like this. I'll get the outside of it at least, maybe. I gotta be impressed with the architecture of these buildings. I'm gonna do a 360 right here. Show you how beautiful it is. Even have some vendors. Never know what you're going to run into on the traffic light. Look at this guy. He's doing this while the light is red, putting on a show. See, it's red. You never see this in the US, believe me. Over there you have a Costco and a nice big parking lot. But I'm going to come up here and make a right. Okay, so I'm back here in Zona Centro, actually on Revolution, and I'm right here at my hotel, and I'm going to go in there and have the Caesar salad, which is, this is the original place.
Best Caesar salad ever.
Best one ever? I'm going in there. this is where they actually originated from. So it's called Tijuana Caesars. And they even have a Caesar Cardini on the outside. Okay, I'll show you the menu, and this is what I'm going to get right here. There is another shot of a Caesar Cardini, and that is the original Caesar salad right there. I'll get the 185 one. All the walking I've been doing, so I've been wanting to do this, and I'm looking forward to this salad because this is origination. I'm a YouTuber, so this is the original place where they make the Caesar salads right here, Tijuana Caesars. And Ricardo is going to mix one up for me.
Okay. Anchovies.
Anchovies.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Yes.
Garlic with olive oil.
Garlic with olive oil.
Uh-huh. Dijon mustard.
Dijon mustard.
Black pepper.
Black pepper.
Worcester.
Worcester. Yeah.
Lime.
Lime.
Egg yolk.
Egg yolk.
But,
See how he expertly does it right there.
just the yolk.
Just the yolk, yeah. Wow. That's impressive.
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
And tequila.
Tequila.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Romaine lettuce.
Romaine. So Ricardo expertly mixes it.
More cheese. And croutons.
Croutons.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
Garlic and olive oil.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Awesome.
The original recipe.
Original recipe. Look at
Yeah.
that. All right. And let me tell you, Ricardo just made me the best salad, and I'm looking forward to getting into it. Check it out. These croutons. And they make it right in front of you. This. Finish this video off here in Zona Central, or downtown Tijuana, Revolución. Kind of give you a walk as I make my way down to the arch, or the monument, see what's going on here. So it's not in Zona Rio anymore. Well, that was the focus on the video, but thought it ended here, since that's where I'm actually staying. And it's a nice day too. Such a beautiful place here. Kind of run you through some shopping areas here. Show you what's around here. Probably a lot of overpriced stuff, that's all I can say. Okay, this is right up here at the arch. Cut through here. Probably the most popular place here in Tijuana as soon as you come in.